nouns. I think you all are studying from class 1 this topic, nouns. Yes. So children, make note of it and be alert and be attentive, because I will be asking you questions also. Okay. Children, whatever things around you, okay, whatever things around you, it can be anything like people, places, or objects. Those names, like you are writing with pencil, okay, you are writing on the notebook. Your name is like Pravesh, Yatharth, many more. You you are able to see curtain in your home where you are sitting on. You are using table, notebook. These all are the things. These are all the names. Okay, we call them nouns. Yes, naming words. Naming words can be name of people, places, or objects. Yes. Now, children, they can also name ideas also, emotions also, qualities also, and activities also. We will be learning many more things here about nouns. For example, Peter is a name of a person. Elizabeth, again a name of person. Yes. Driver. We call driver who drives. Yes. Sister, friend, many things. Yes. So nouns basically we call them as naming words. Yes, children. Now, the next question arises that how many kinds of noun we have? Yes, there are 5 kinds of nouns. Now, let me ask somebody. Yatharth. Good morning, Yatharth.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yatharth, can you name out all these kinds of nouns? What are they?
Ma'am, there are 5 kinds of nouns: proper
Okay.
noun, common noun, collective noun, material
Yes.
noun, and abstract noun.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, children, let us study about these kinds of noun one by one. First, let us take about proper noun. Children, suppose we say boy is a common noun. Yes, boy is a noun, common noun. But if we say Pravesh, so Pravesh is a particular name given to one boy. Yes, it is a particular name given to one boy. Now, children, a proper noun is a name of particular person, place, or thing. And when we write this proper noun, when we begin this proper noun, we begin always with capital letter. Okay, children. Suppose any girl. Girl is again a noun. Yes. But if we name it Archana, Archana is a proper noun. Means that particular name Archana is given to that particular girl. Yes. School. School is again a common noun. Yes. School is a common noun. But if we say MPS Kalwa Road, so it is a proper noun. Means particular name given to one school. Am I audible, children? Show me thumbs up. Very good. So children, this is, I think you know, whenever we write a proper noun, we always start with the capital letter. Let us move further. What are common nouns? Just now I discussed with you any common name which is given to any person, place, animal or thing, or any idea also. Yes, children? They are known as common nouns. Now, one thing to be remembered. Proper nouns, we always begin with a capital letter, but common nouns, we do not start with the capital letters. Yes? Suppose, example, teacher is a common noun. Yes, teacher is a common noun. But if we particularly name any teacher like Sushma ma'am or Sarita ma'am or Renu ma'am, they are particular name given to that teacher, means they are proper noun. That name will begin with the capital letter, but teacher is a common noun, so always we write teacher with small letters only. Yes. Next is baseball. Baseball is also a common noun. City, again, it can be any city. Yes, it can be any city. But can you name one city? Manvendra, I've unmuted you. Can you name any city? Yes, Manvendra. Can you name any city?
Ma'am,
Yes. Name one city, Manvendra. Manvendra, speak up. You are not audible. Name one city. Okay. Pravesh, I'll be asking you. Yes, Pravesh. Tell me any name of city.
Jaipur city.
Jaipur city. Very good. Very. So city can be any city, but if we give any particular name, if we talk about any particular name of the city, like Jaipur is a city, yes, Udaipur is a city, any city, that particular name we will begin with capital letter, but city is a common noun. Understood, children? Okay. Now let us move to the next. What is the next one? Collective noun. The name itself suggests that it is a collection. Yes, collective nouns are the names for collection or number of people or things. Suppose a collection of soldiers. You see, soldiers, many soldiers in a group. So what do we call them? Army. We call them army. That it is a collection of soldiers. We name it as army. Now many examples are there. Like in a class, we see students. So many students are there. Yes. So students, many students are there. Group of students are there. So we name them as a class. Group of students we will name as class. Yes. Now children, many examples are there. You can search, okay, and make it a habit that daily you will be writing at least 5 collective nouns. 5 collective nouns. Keep it in your mind that daily you have to search and write down 5 collective nouns. Okay, like bunch of bananas, bunch of keys. Yes, we used to say. Remember, collective nouns are the names of collection or a number of people. Okay, group of people, group of animals. Yes, collectively, together. Yes, then we can give a particular name. Okay, now let us move. Children, next is material noun. First, we started with proper noun, common noun. Then next was collective noun. Now we are talking about material noun. We are talking about material noun. Children, material noun is that what refers to a material or substance from which things are made of. Means, for example, bangles. Your mama used to wear bangles or earrings. They are made up of gold or maybe silver. Yes. Clothes, whatever we do, we wear clothes. They are made of cotton. Yes. Furniture, if we talk about chair, table, it is made up of wood. Yes. So things, suppose cheese or curd, this is made up of milk. So milk is a material, wood is a material, gold is a material, okay, cotton is a material through which we are making things. Exactly. Are you getting, Athar? Yes, Athar, are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well done. So these things, children, whatever material, whatever things we see, like glass is again a material noun. Wheat, what do we do with wheat? We make wheat flour. We make chapatis out of wheat flour. Yes, we do. Next is gold. Many things are there. Yes, many things. Gold is used to make ornaments also. Yes, many things, many items. Next is coal. Coal is also again a material noun. Yes. Let us move further, children. Let us move to the next one. Abstract noun. Yes, abstract noun. Note it down, children. Manavendra, you are noting down or not? I'm not able to see you. Abstract noun. Children, name of anything which can neither be seen nor be touched. It can be felt. Means we cannot touch it. We cannot see it. We can feel it. For example, childhood. Childhood, we say childhood, brotherhood, leadership. Yes, these things we cannot see, we cannot touch, we can feel. We can feel feelings. Yes. Suppose common noun. Brother is a common noun. Yes. So abstract noun, what will be the abstract noun? Brotherhood. You can feel it. Like your brother is very much kind to you. Yes. He helps you. He plays with you. So what all these things are? Brotherhood. Yes. He is making you feel good. He is helping you out. Okay. So he is showing brotherhood. What is that? He's showing brotherhood. Love, happiness, strength, hope. All these are abstract noun. Children, let us move to the next. Let us recap. Okay, let us recap and get ready for the quiz. Okay, kinds of nouns. First, we studied about proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with the capital letter and they are name, particular name given to any person, place or thing. Yes. Common nouns, for example, student, chair, boy, school, city, anything. And we always start with small letters only. Next is collective noun. Yes, collectively we call, like you are living with your family members. Yes, family, where mama, papa, brother, son, daughter, grandfather, grandparents are living. They are family. Yes, you in a class. You are in a class. You have so many students around you. Yes, you have students around you. You are in a class. Okay. Crowd. Whenever you go out in public, yes, you are one of them, but you are in crowd. Yes. Now children, material noun, the things which are used, like gold is used to make something, clay is used to make something, wood is also used to make so many things, wool is also used to, all those materials from which we make things. Okay, we make things. They are known as material nouns. Yes. Now patience, childhood. Okay, darkness, we cannot see, we can feel it. Yes, so these are abstract nouns. Now children, move to testing yourself. Okay, let me come to Ishan. Wait, let me talk to Ishan. Where is Ishan? Let me search Ishan. Wait, Ishan. Ishan, sorry, gone down. Wait, Ishan. Yes, Ishan. Good morning. Do you want
Good
to ask
morning,
some?
ma'am.
Good morning. Do you want to ask something, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am, in material noun.
What happened?
Ma'am, I want to ask something in material noun.
Material noun. Okay, let me go back to material noun. Yes, Ishan. Ask your question.
Ma'am, sand and clay both are materials or not?
Yes, sand and clay both are material noun. Ishan, in fact, whatever things, whatever items, like I talked about gold also, cotton also, clay also, sand also. You can make many more things. You can figure out with clay. You can make so many toys, so many figures. Yes. So this is material for you. Yes. You are taking sand and you are making something. So that is material for you. Yes. Yes or no? Nod your head. Yes. So exactly, you are correct. Sand and clay both are material now. Okay. When you are taking something as raw, you are making something out of it. That is material now. Okay. Now let us have a quiz. Okay, let us have quiz. Let me ask questions. Be attentive, be alert. Okay, children? Now, make a table in the following manner and write in each column with the letters given below. Okay, and you have 1 minute. I'll be asking in between. Don't feel bad that I'm not asking questions to you children, because there are so many students and we have short of time. So I can't ask to all of you. Okay, so quickly write down. I'll be watching your raised hands and I'll be asking you. Okay. Yes, let me come to Soumya. Where is Soumya? Yes, Parth. Good. Good morning, Parth.
Good morning, ma'am.
Parth, you want to ask any question? Okay. Yes, Parth. Want to ask any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask.
But you give this table, ma'am. We have to do in homework, ma'am. Ma'am, then test.
Right now, right now. This is for right now, beta. Instantly you have to do. Okay, I'll be asking you within a minute. Okay. Let me ask. Vasu. Good morning, Vasu. Good morning, Vasu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Vasu, can you quickly tell me name, place, animal, or thing with letter P? Quickly.
P. Ma'am, P for name is park
Okay.
and is like Agra. Animal for M is monkey and
No, 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 no,
thing is
no. No, you have to give me answer. Listen the question carefully. With P only, I want name, place, animal, thing. You said name, part. Any place with P?
ma'am. Now I say place Pushkar.
Okay. Any animal? Any bird?
Porcupine
Okay. Next thing, anything.
and
You're,
things for peace.
you're writing with pencil. Yes. Okay. This way you have to do, children. You have to make table and you have to test yourself that am I able to write place, person, name, animal, thing with given letter or not. Okay. You can do afterwards also. Now children, next activity is write a collective noun for each of the following. Write it down quickly, only the answers. Okay, write only the answers. See the question from the screen and write down the answers. I will be asking you. Okay. Quickly, I'm giving you time. Yes, let me ask. Navedya. Good morning, Navedya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, quickly tell me the answers. A dash of flowers.
A bunch of flowers.
Bunch of flowers. Or else what we can say? Or else bouquet of flowers. Yes, next one. Dash of ships. Dash of ships.
Ma'am, a hanger of ships.
Okay. Wait. Let me ask somebody else. Yatharth. Yes, Yatharth.
Ma'am,
Yatharth.
a fleet of ships. Fleet
It
of
was
ships.
fleet of
Fleet.
ships.
Yes.
Okay. Next, Shivang. Yes, Shivang.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3, dash of stamps. Collective nouns we are talking about. Dash of stamps.
Collage of stamps.
Collage of stamps? Not a proper name. Let me move to somebody else. Wait. Parag. Yes, Parag. Can you?
Bundle of
What? Bundle of? Bundle of sticks. Bundle of sticks. We are talking about stamps. Children, I'm telling you again, like, make it a habit for this week, particular this week, search out more and more collective nouns, make a list on a sheet or in your copy itself where you are writing these notes. Write down very nicely. Okay, you can use color pencils also. You can decorate that page also. However, like whatever way you want to enjoy that activity, write down. Okay, 10 to 20 collective nouns. If you will be writing that, you will be learning more and more and you will be understanding also. Okay, let us see now the answers. First is bouquet of flowers, then fleet of ships, collection of stamps. Okay, children. Collection of stamps, we can say album of stamps also, children. Album of stamps. Okay, we can say album of stamps also. Then pair of scissors, pair of scissors. Then troop of monkeys, troop of monkeys. Okay, children. Next question. Quickly answer. Let me see who is alert, who is attentive. Separate the common nouns from the material nouns given in the box below. Means you have to segregate. Just take out what? Separate the common nouns from the material nouns. Take out the common nouns, write down on a piece of paper. From these, write down common nouns on in your notebook. Like if we talk about gold, gold is a common noun. Gaurang? Yes, Gaurang. Gold is a common noun.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then what it is? Gold is?
Material noun.
Very good, very good. Now, Darsh. Darsh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Darsh, salt. Salt is a common noun.
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, it is material.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, let me go to somebody else. Somebody else. Who should I go? Wait. Wait. Let me search. Whom should I ask? Let me ask Neeraj. Okay, Neeraj, I'm coming to you. Yes, Neeraj. Identify common nouns quickly. Tell me the answers. Yes, Neeraj. Am I audible to you? Yes, Neeraj. You are not audible. We are not able to listen to you. Yes. Speak, Neeraj. You're not audible, Neeraj. Okay, let me ask Chinmay Sharma. Let me come to Chinmay. Let me come to Chinmay. Chinmay. Yes, Chinmay. Tell me common nouns quickly. Good morning.
Gold.
Gold is material noun, Chinmay. Gold is material noun. Salt is also material noun. Pick out the common nouns. Okay, pick out the common nouns. Pencil. Yes. Okay, let me tell you the answers. Check your answers. Yatharth, check your answers. Are you right? Check your answers. Neeraj, you also check your answer. Chinmay, you also check your answers. Shimang, you are not visible to me. Turn on your video. Common nouns are pencil, book, bottle, table, lion, and fan. And there were material nouns. Make note of it, children. Gold, salt, ink, marble, grass, and cloth. They were materials. Yes, they were materials. Let us move to the next question. Pick out the abstract nouns from the given list. And what is abstract noun, children? They are different from all other nouns. We cannot see or touch them. We can feel. It is a feeling. Yes? Now, strength. Can we see strength? We can feel when we are united. Yes? It shows strength, unity. Yes? Ink? No. It's not abstract noun. Bull? No, it's not abstract noun. Sadness. Can we see? We can feel. Yes, we can feel sadness. Note down quickly any 5 I want. I'll be asking you any 5. I want any 5. Children, we are running out of time. Let me talk to Rajveer. Its name is reflecting Rajveer Sharma. Yes, Rajveer. Quickly tell me only 5 abstract nouns.
Sadness,
Okay.
beauty,
Okay. Check your answers, other. Yes. Quickly, quickly. We are running out of time, children.
health, foolishness.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So, children, I hope you must have enjoyed this session. There were so many activities. There were so many questions. Yes. Now, today you will sit with this topic